What is up, fam? Happy President's Day. I've got four picks for you guys. In number one, I've got SMCI. Now, SMCI has been under pressure since that short report from Hindenburg and their auditor EY leaving. Since then, they've secured a new auditor and they've provided two business updates. In the last business update, in my opinion, the earnings release was okay. Although they did say that their 2025 revenue was going to come in at $24 billion and 2026 was going to come in at $40 billion. That's their outlook, unofficial. But that really made the stock fly. They also hinted at some management changes in terms of financial changes that are coming through their books. And investors really didn't care too much about it. I mean, it hurts their bottom line in their fourth quarter of 2024, which ends on June 30, 2024. But investors really didn't care about it. Since then, the stock has breached key resistance levels. Right now, it's sitting right on top of the last resistance level at 47. The next one's at 49. And if it breaches that, it's probably going to get up to 64. I'd really, really watch this stock, and I would definitely play options on this stock. There's also a lot of heavy gamma exposure. What that means is that market makers are going to have to buy this stock to make good on option buyers. And that will push the stock price up even further. Um, the next one I've got for you guys is Nvidia. Now, Nvidia is still correlated to SMCI. SMCI is correlated to Nvidia because SMCI ships these GPU servers that are basically ready to deploy at hyperscalers and other customers. Nvidia has really been bullish over the last week, probably more. They've got earnings coming up, and there's good news after the whole DeepSeek saga, and most of the investor gurus out there, they're sort of changing their point of view and DeepSeek hurting Nvidia. So that really was a strong dip to get in at when DeepSeek released their R1. They've got earnings coming up, and they also got the GTC conference coming up in March. And usually, a lot of things happen at the GTC conference. So that's my second pick, Nvidia. In number three, I've got Apple. There's a product launch coming up, and Apple's expected to release their iPhone SE 4. Unofficially, they're also expected to release their Mac Air and HomePad. Price action has been bullish, and I'd watch this one. This if they do really come good on a lot of good product launches, this stock could actually rise up to some key level. In number four, I've got BTC. Now, BTC has been a little bit of a disappointment over the last couple of days, and over the last few weeks or so. It's really sort of be played around that 95 to 104 kind of mark. And I really was hoping for a cup and handle to form towards the end of Friday, and there being good price action over the weekend. That has not happened, and it's actually broken past that cup and handle. So now my position is a little bearish more than bullish. But we've got an interview between Musk and Trump coming up on Fox, which is on the 19th of February. And I think what this might do is they might talk more about digital assets and on all other things, Doge and other things, and like tariffs and border control and things of that nature. But if they do talk about digital assets, this will be a good guy. Solana has really broken through and has got really bearish action because of the FTX news coming out. But I'd really watch BTC, Aave, and those cryptos. Have fun trading and good luck.